Ka Iingbishar Hakhlieh du Jongkari lani ka Supreme Court mentakasngi kala Phah Jingtip sya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Halor ka Jingpan Jamin o officer ka tanat pulit jong ka jela Meghalaya uba jiki yang rai ha ka ba ka Iingbishar jong ka jela Meghalaya men ha unno pra arjar arpuar kala kentat ya ka Jingpan Jamin jong uba yang rai ula syakem ha ka atrik unaiwing arjar arpuar ha ka bedai bat ka jing ujor ijahar du Darwin sangma ha ka arpu pratrik urisau arajar arpuar hakmat ka kinhun tokit CID halor ki jingkeno ba ulapenan kam bakla ya ki song tingka belamang na ka benta bentai ya ka ying nationwide emergency response system NERS building hashalong.
Yes, today the bail application for Mr. J.K. Yangrai was filed before the Honorable Supreme Court and it was listed as item number 1. And the Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to issue notice and then fix a returnable date by 2 weeks. Earlier, his bail application was rejected twice by the special judge and also by the High Court of Meghalaya, so which has compelled us to file the bail application for the Honorable Supreme Court.